Hi Keith, little video to show you how to do this. I've already created your permission. Your login is your email address, your Crandall email address, and your password is 1234. And you can obviously change that once you get in. Editing in the text part is really quite easy. You just go up here to this thing that looks like a pencil. You click it, it's the edit button. And it takes you in here, and there's the text. You just work inside that text area right there. Oops, I'll show you that in a minute. Spend some time, so it's really simple. I would avoid anything with fonts and everything at this point. I would just type. It's a bit fussy at times. If you think you've screwed up, it's better to just abandon it. Oftentimes I'll cut and paste things in. Or type them. Sometimes cutting and pasting. It is one of the things I don't like about Scalar is that it's sometimes fussy on fonts. It'll sometimes, like, for example, create larger spaces between the lines and things like that, little things like that. Even though it says it's the same font, it doesn't seem to look the same font, or at least the same spacing and things like that. So probably cutting and pasting is not a great idea, but certainly probably working it out in Word and then typing it in separately would probably be a good idea. Anyhow, it's pretty simple to work within. There's bold and italics and kind of standard things up there. So feel free to work with that if you want to. But I think right now we probably just need to work on text alone. When you're done, there's all kinds of whoa, that was too quick. Sorry. Back arrow does work. There's other stuff in here which is working with metadata, which we need to talk about, and styling and relationships and things like that. But I just spent about an hour with Julia Forsyth, who's a fabulous person here at Brock in our Center for Pedagogical Innovation. And she's really good at kind of the web design stuff of this kind of stuff. Anyhow, she's helped us set up a basic framework here like this, which is, I was imagining it's split down the middle, but I think for the mock-up version, this kind of breakup is just fine. And you can see what she did was, what Scalar does is it has access to pre-existing archival databases, and one of those is the Internet Archive, archive.org. So it will actually create the thumbnail for you, and put it in place, and then you can organize it, and we can talk about the organizational stuff later. But anyway, you click on this. Why is it not live? Why is it not live? Go there, because I have to click go there, that's why. And it takes you there. One of the things we found, and we're talking to Scalar about this, is that it's, as you can see, slow to load. We're not sure what that's all about. One of the advantages of this system is that it means that you don't have to house the actual PDFs on your own website. They stay at archive.org. But this slow loading is, as you can see, it takes, what are we now? We're 10, 15 seconds, which of course in the internet age is roughly 3 weeks. Anyway, it comes up. Please hurry. And there it is. Fortunately, this one has a Google front page, but you get into it quickly, scroll down, and there's the title page. It's Arthur Young's The Farmer's Letters to the People of England from 1768, I think it is. I'll quickly go back to the main page and show you that it's a bad start here, but I was working with Julia and I was just trying to learn how to do it, not necessarily to do it properly in this time. It says James Barrie's library. He did not own Arthur Young's book. UNIAC owned that book. This, however, is one of Barrie's books, the Book of Religions. And these, another repeat of the Hayward book and another repeat of Young, are not Edward Manning's books. That you know that, but that's why I sent you the request this morning to stick something else in there. So anyhow, you can see a couple of changes have already been made in the setup. We'll move toward getting 3 here, and I think possibly 4. We didn't see that in the instructions, but the Italian broadsides page has 4, so I'm not sure about that. But we can play with that, play with some of those details. But the most important thing right now is you clicking that button, getting in here, and editing some of that text. Have fun, guy. If you feel more comfortable doing this in Word and would just prefer staying in Word, that's fine. But certainly getting in there and playing around a little bit is perfectly fine. Not to worry. Hope you're doing well. You take care. Bye-bye.